Hello from Slovenia again. Today I will play with split cup again. I have this 4-chamber split cup and I have some cloud mixture, kind of. I just mix this 1 part white, 1 part satin enamel. I added a little bit of my pouring medium into it. And liquitex pouring medium and water, and I did leave it a little thicker, and I will put this on the canvas and I will do a split cup on top, but I will pour from up high, and we will see what will happen. Just a straight pour from up high. And I will use mostly some blue shades because I don't know what will happen and I don't want mud out of it. So this is Artist Colors indigo hue, and this is Pebeo iridescent green blue, and this is Amsterdam ultramarine blue, and this one is Pebeo iridescent precious gold. Okay, and I will pour a puddle of this kind of cloud mixture here in the middle. I have a ton of air bubbles. Let's torch this real quick, but maybe it's okay. I will get some cells, I don't know. So, and I will just pour from up high. I hope that I'm not too close, that you will see. I will maybe just go a little more here that you will see better. Okay, so we're just do kind of a straight pour. And I don't know if I like that I will get this thing in the middle. Probably not. So I will just add a little more paint and pour just a little bit more and stop from the height, because I don't like this here in the middle. Okay, better. Let's torch this, and because I poured from up high, see, I got a ton of air bubbles and they will create some cells, natural cells. So We'll just remove this. Just think that I want to do something here, this middle. I like those cells that are popping through. We will see how this will, and I hope that I will get some kind of pearl cells where I will thin down this paint, so, or maybe not, because I have a lot of paint now. And my phone. I will just mute my phone just a second. Okay. Kind of a galaxy look that I like. I'm not crazy about this part here. Maybe one more spin. And I will be done. And I will torch it once more. Because I still have a ton of air bubbles. And because it is kind of a galaxy look, I don't mind to get all those little cells like kind of stars or something out. So and I see even some white cells popping through from that cloud mix, I think. Not I think, I know. So I just don't like this gold here. I think that maybe I will do just one more spin to get rid a little bit of this gold. So let's try. Okay, better. Much better. And now I don't like this ultramarine thing there, or maybe it's okay, but I kind of like to spin it a little more because I see those pearl cells popping through, so maybe I will get some of them out if I thin down my, you know, because they come through when it's not so much paint on your canvas. And now I will really stop. One more torch and then I will stop. So here is a close-up of my galaxy pour, and I really like it because it has this galaxy look for my taste. Now that I see that colors blend but still stay separate and true to color, don't blend as much as if I would pour into my cup and do a regular straight pour. I believe that I will try with more colors too, because I see it's blending and you can almost see through. I think that it's just enough blending for me. I really like it. Sorry for a glare. And I will definitely do this straight pour split cup from up high again, because I think that it looks quite interesting. Tell me what you think about it, and see you on the next one. Bye.